This bucket hat tutorial, I'll be using my size 5mm hook, and I'll be using the same thin yarn I used for the skirt. As you can see, I already doubled the yarn, so you're going to use any yarn of your choice. And to get started, I'm going to start by making a loop or a magic ring. Now I'm going to chain 1. So I'm going to put 14 double crochet in this loop, in this magic circle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'm just going to be closing this magic circle by dragging this yarn. So for round 2, I'm going to slip stitch into this first chain. Now I'm going to chain 3, which serves as our first double crochet, and I'll be putting 2 double crochet in every stitch. So I have to be careful. So why am I making a mistake, or why am I finding it hard to put my hook into this section? Okay, so I'll be putting 2 double crochet in each stitch. And you're going to end up with 28 stitches. Now I'm just going to slip stitch into on top of this chain 3 space. For this third round, I'm going to chain 3, which serves as our first double crochet, and I'm going to put 2 double crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet. So we'll be doing 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 1. So I'm going to put another double crochet into this chain where this my chain 3 where this chain 3 stitch is coming out from. I'm going to put another double crochet, making it 2 double crochet. Now I'm going to, so for the first round I went round with 2 double crochet in each stitch, and you're going to end up with 28 stitches. Now I'm just going to slip stitch on top of this chain 3, the first chain of this chain 3 space. I'm going to just slip stitch into it. Now for the second row, for the second round, I'm going to chain 3, which serves our first double crochet, and I'll be putting 2 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the first stitch. So we'll be alternating between 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet. So I'm going to put my second double crochet in this first stitch. That's an increase. Now 1 double crochet, now 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we'll be doing 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. So I ended with 1 double crochet. Now I'm going to slip stitch in on top of this chain 3. So for the third round, I'm going to chain 3, which serves as our first double crochet. And for this round, we'll be doing 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet in one stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So we'll be doing 2 1 1 in this row. So I'm going to add another double crochet in this stitch, making it my 2 double crochet. Now I'll continue with 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 1, then 2, then 1 1, then 2, then 1 1. So we'll be doing 2 1 1 in this round, and I'll meet you guys in the what row is this? 1 2 3, in the 5th round. End up with 56 stitches in this round. Now I'm just going to slip stitch on top of this chain 3 space, top of the first chain of the first slip of the chain 3. Now I'm going to chain 3, which is our first as our first double crochet. Now I'll be putting another double crochet in this, making it 2 double crochet in one stitch. So for the 5th round, we're going to chain 3, which I already did, and we'll put in 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So it will be 2 1 1 1. So 2 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So it will be 2 double crochet in one stitch and 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now I'll put 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Now 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 2. I'm sorry if I'm going off camera. So 1 2. So you see 2 double crochet in one stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, then 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So I'll meet you guys in round 6. So I'm at the end of round 5, and I ended up with 70 stitches in this row. 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm just going to slip stitch on top of this chain 3 space. Now for round 6, 7 8 9 10 11 12, we'll be doing the same thing. I'm just going to chain 3, which serves as our first double crochet, and we'll be putting 2 double crochet in every, just for round 6, not round 6 7. Round 5, and I ended up with 70 stitches. Now I'm just going to slip stitch on top of this chain 3, space. Now I'm going to chain 3. For round 6, I'm going to be putting 2 double crochet in the first stitch and 1 double crochet in the next 13 stitches, then 2 double crochet. So this is our first increase, 2 double crochet. Now continue by putting 1 double crochet in the next 14 stitches, in the next 13 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now I'll be putting 2 double crochet in the 14th stitch. So 1, 2. Now we'll continue with the same pattern. 1 double crochet in the next 13 stitches, then 2 double crochet in the 14th stitch. So I'm at the end of row 6. I'm just going to slip stitch into this first chain. So I'm at the end of round 6. For round 7, I'm just going to slip stitch into this chain 3. Now I'm going to chain 3, which serves as our first double crochet. And I'm going to put 2 double crochet. I'm going to put another double crochet in this first stitch. Now for round 7, I'm going to put 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next 12 stitches. So I already did my first double crochet, so I'll be putting 2 double crochet in the next 12 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the last round for increase. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I'm going to put 2 double crochet. Now continue with 1 double crochet in the next 12 stitches. So I'm at the end of the 6th round and I ended up with 75 stitches. So I'm just going to slip stitch into this chain 3 stitch. Now I'm going to chain 3. For this row, we'll be going around with 1 double crochet in each stitch. And we'll be doing this for the next few rows, and I'll show you guys how many rows I did when I'm done. But for now, we'll just be putting 1 double crochet in each stitch, and when we get to this slip stitch, we're going to slip stitch and put 1 double crochet round for round 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm just going to continue by putting 1 double crochet in each stitch. So I did a total of 15 rows, 6 rows of increase and 9 rows of no increase. Now for the 16th row, I'm just going to slip stitch on top of this chain 3 space. Now I'm going to be alternating between 2 double crochet in 1 stitch and 1 double crochet in 1 stitch, so it will be 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. But we'll be working with the front loop only. So I'm going to just chain 3 and put 2 double crochet here. For the next row, I'm going to put 1 double crochet in the front loop, then 2 double crochet in the next one. We are working with just the front loop, so the next one will be 1 double crochet, and the next one will be 2 double crochet. The next one will be 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. So we'll just be alternating between 2 double crochet in one stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and we'll be working with the front loop. So the next one will be 2 double crochet. Now 1. So I'll show you guys when I'm done with this row. I did a total of 20 rows and 16 rows for the head part, and for the edges I did 4 rows, and that's just it for this beautiful hearts.